How's it going, guys? I just wanted to make a quick update because it's been over a month since my last video and there's been a lot going on. So I've been really busy and I haven't had too much time to make these kinds of videos, which I love, but these take a lot of time and effort to put together. But that doesn't mean I've stopped making videos. I've done a ton of kind of like local work, and some of that you can find on my personal channel. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link below and also in the end card. But I'm really hoping to do many more kind of reviews and tutorials on this channel in the very near future. Those will be on a lot of camera equipment, video editing, also drones, because that's really how I got started. All that will be coming up very soon, and I've only got a couple more months of school, and then there'll be quite a bit of time to make these kinds of videos. There is a lot planned coming this summer and next year. Let's see, is there anything else? Oh, the Cuba documentary I made last summer. I don't know if any of you saw that. That is also on my personal channel, but that actually won a Gold Key Award for the Scholastic Art and Writing Awards, so that's pretty cool. I think that's basically it for this update. I don't usually share much about me because this channel isn't about me. It's more about filmmaking, cameras, drones, that stuff. We just hit 17,000 subscribers, which I don't know how this keeps happening. I don't know why people keep subscribing. When I first made this channel, I was like, if I got 100 subscribers, I would be fulfilled for life. So I'm kind of just on this ride now. So we're just gonna see how far this grows, and the more people who come along, the better. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it pro. Oh wait, there's one more thing.